Again, the best approach is the one that works for you always. I will go on the record and say that heavy cream, butter, MCT oil, absolutely 100% break a fast. There's different kinds of fasting that utilize them, but that is not, that is far too many calories. If you have a tablespoon of MCT oil, you're at 100 calories, or you're going to definitely be breaking a fast. What you have to look at is the bigger piece of the equation. What is the actual effect of the food you're consuming or beverage that you're consuming on the body? For example, green tea. Green tea is going to activate the AMPK pathway. It's going to activate cyclic adenosine monophosphate. So it's going to put you into a deeper fasted state despite having 5 calories or 3 calories. Coffee, the polyphenols in coffee have been demonstrated to trigger more autophagy, so put you into a deeper fasted state. Caffeine in general is going to mobilize lipids. It's also going to stop the breakdown of cyclic adenosine monophosphate. And what all that gobbledygook means is that they're essentially putting you into a deeper fasted state and getting you more of the desired outcome. Let's not forget that no matter what, if you want to be doing the purest, most absolute clean fast possible, it's just water. Everything else is getting granular with different approaches. So if you ever just want to know what is the baseline cleanest way to fast, it's just with water, period. Don't even add salt. Okay, but if you want to start playing around and seeing what gets you the best outcome and makes you feel the best and gets you the best body composition result, play around with what works for you. But having the dairy, having that stuff during a fast, that's just a lot of calories. That's just going to be basically doing keto. You're kicking yourself out of a fasted state. I would say the top line amount of calories you should consume during a fast is going to be 10. 10 calories is a good number that I stick to.